So we have talked about equality, we have talked about needs, wants, and satisfaction. Now we move to Sen's capability theory. So Amartya Sen is a very famous economist. He's a Nobel Prize winner, and he developed new view about poverty, well-being, and standards of living. So, according to him, social policy should not be made on the basis of Homo economist, and we will discuss that theory too. And he has criticized the rational choice economist and all that. So, what is economic man or Homo economicus? So, economic man is an idealized human being who acts rationally with complete knowledge of all preferences to maximize his personal utility or satisfaction. So, he's a very rational, he's not emotional. He decides, he looks at all the preferences. This is the man on which most of the economic theory is based. So if you look at the different graphs, supply and demand and utility satisfaction, they are all based on economic man. But this economic man has been criticized, and it is criticized based on that it ignores the cultural differences between different type of human beings. It ignores the bounded rationality, meaning thereby that people don't have full knowledge of their preferences. It means that people have no time to look at all the preferences and evaluate them and rank them on the basis of which is the best and choose the best. It ignores that there is uncertainty. The knowledge of all the preferences is not there available to everybody or to most of the people when they are making economic decisions. So these are the few ways in which the economic man is criticized. Similarly, economic man is also criticized on the basis of ignoring altruism, the love of all humanity. Rather than looking at individual needs, an altruistic man looks or tries to improve the satisfaction of all humanity or his family. Then, of course, heroes cannot be justified based on economic man. They give their life, so they don't get the utility. Their utility is decreased based on their choices. So they make their choices which are not good for them, but they are good for others. So heroes, similar is the case of craftsmen who don't give too much importance to money. They give importance to what they are making. So if they are making a good thing, they will spend hours on it even if they don't get money out of it. And as we talked about it, economic man doesn't give importance to emotions or time constraints. So what Amartya Sen has said, he said that these theories of economists based on utility doesn't show reality. So if we want to look at at a human being and want to interpret his or her decisions, we have to look at his or her basic want and needs. And the utility formation or the desire for pleasure or for satisfaction must be supplemented by these needs and wants. And he introduced morality into the economic man theory, and he argued that there should be less exploitation, and this less exploitation does not mean that there should be less utility, but this means that there is less justice. So Amartya Sen has argued that the demand, for example, the demand for equal pay and equal work is not purely an instrumental claim. So it cannot be it may not be justified based on only on an economic man. It may be justified on the basis of morality, on the basis of equality. Thank you.